All right, so today we're taking a deep dive into something pretty interesting. We're looking at a method for accessing Maldivian and international TV channels.
Okay.
And all for free.
Interesting.
Now, the information we have for this comes from a video that demonstrates using Streamio.
Streamio.
And an add-on called Hel TV.
Oh, okay.
So basically, our mission here is to understand how this whole thing works.
Yeah.
And what exactly it gives you access to.
Sound good.
So to start off, can you just give us a quick rundown of what Streamio is?
Sure. So from what I understand, Streamio is basically a free media center app.
Okay.
You can use it on multiple devices, like Windows, Mac OS, Android, even smart TVs.
Yeah, I saw it.
It's designed to stream movies, shows, live TV, and it does all this through these things called add-ons.
Add-ons.
Yeah, basically think of them as like bridges that connect Streamio to different content sources online.
Okay, I get it, like plugins.
Exactly.
So then how does this compare to something like Kodi?
Well, the video kind of presents Streamio as a more user-friendly alternative.
Okay.
You know, Kodi can be a bit more complex sometimes.
Right. Sometimes it needs a bit more fiddling to get going.
Yeah, exactly. It can be a bit more techy.
So it seems like a selling point of Streamio is that it's simpler to install and use.
Definitely.
So how do you actually get Streamio up and running?
Well, it seems pretty straightforward. You just go to Streamio.com.
Streamio.com.
Yeah, and download it from there.
Simple enough.
And then you have the option to create an account or just use it as a guest.
Oh, that's convenient.
Now, the part where it gets interesting for accessing free TV is with the Hel TV add-on.
Right, that's the key here.
So in Streamio, you click on the puzzle icon.
Puzzle icon?
Yeah, it takes you to the add-on section.
What is that?
And then you go to community add-ons.
Got it.
Search for Hel TV and install it.
And that's it?
Seems like it, yeah.
Wow, so once you've installed this Hel TV add-on, what kind of content does it unlock?
Well, the video highlights a whole bunch of Maldivian channels.
Oh, right. Like the local ones?
Yeah, exactly. Like TVM, Raajje TV, Sangu TV, VTV, pretty much all the popular ones.
So if you're living abroad or something, this could be pretty handy.